Good morning! Eid Mubarak mga langga. And for today's video, I have a big gift hadiah from Madam. Ayan, meron tayong 500. So, nagtataginting. In Philippine peso, this is 8,000. Sana all. First time ko nakatanggap ng ganito kalaking hadiah in Ramadan. Wow. So, just today, ito yung perfume na hindi ko alam, buksan natin. And then, ito yung lotion body gel. And then, yesterday, binigyan tayo ng mga galing sa amo ko. Yun. Yesterday or the other day. Yan. 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 Branded yan. Charan. Gaganda pa. Itong jeans. Yan yung mga brand niya. Yan. So, dalawang jeans. Tapos, to long sleeves and to polo. May ano pa ng cat namin. See? And ayan. Yung Zara niya is 4. So, ayan, this is my Ramadan's gift. Oh my God, I'm very happy. This Ramadan, Madam gave me. So, for today's video, ito lang. Salamat. More blessings, guys. Thanks God. Thanks to my employer na mabait. Bye, mga langga. So, bibili tayo ng alahas o gold nito. Diba? Nakabili na tayo ng gold. See you. Ay, bubuksan pala natin to. So, wait. Mukha ng wow. Bango niya, bango. Nice one. Love it. Meron na tayong dalawa. Bye. Thanks for watching. Eid Mubarak.